Morning, Aisha. How was your weekend?
It was alright, how was yours?
Good, thanks. Though I'm really tired. We had a dance competition this weekend. Charlotte, these are the girls who are looking after you today.
Hi, nice to meet you.
You too. My name's Rachel and this is Aisha.
Hi, I guess.
Charlotte is the leader of this school. Please help us settle it. Thanks, girls.
Sure, we'll be nice to her.
Don't mind her. Come on, me.
What are you doing?
We're trying to figure out a secret handshake.
Can I try?
Sure.
I don't like this new girl, Charlotte. She's not my friend. And if you're going to hang around with her, you're not my friend either.
But wait, come back.
I'm not coming near you ever again. Besides, you'll not be alone for long. Look who's coming over. Ugh.
Is everything okay? What happened?
Aisha doesn't want to be my friend anymore.
What do you want?
Why are you looking so sad, you loser, huh?
My best friend left me because of that new girl, Charlotte. I'm so angry, I wish I could get them back.
Come with us then. We'll give them a taste of their own medicine. This is how you dance. Go away.
You're lame.
Ignore them. Whoa. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Good job. You're keeping your head up.
Why do you think you've been called in her?
We didn't do anything. We were just playing.
Were you? Rachel and Charlotte came to see me and they were very upset. Tell me the truth!
We didn't do anything!
Why are you lying to me? I know that you've been nasty to them. That is no way to treat a new student at this school or any other student. I'm sorry. I wanted to get back at Rachel for not being my friend anymore. Well, you have earned yourself hours detention after school.
Yeah. Why are we here?
I'd like you both to help me.
With what? What do you mean?
I have an assembly plan tomorrow and I would like you to be involved.
Us? Why?
I've seen you both dancing and I think you're fantastic.
Thank you.
How would you like to perform in front of the whole school?
Yes,
We'd love to.
Great. Come and see me tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Thank you, Mr. Woods. See you tomorrow. Bye and thank you. We'll be there.
Bye. I'd now like to introduce Charlotte and Rachel, and they're going to show us the warts.
Hi.
Hi, Aisha.
I'm sorry I was being mean to you both. I guess I was jealous.
That's okay, we can be friends. What do you want? We thought your dancing in the assembly was actually pretty cool. Yeah, we were wondering if maybe you'd teach us?
Actually, we're going to teach everyone tomorrow at lunch. Do you want to come join us?
Yeah, it will be really fun. We'll be there.
Great, see you tomorrow then. I'd like you now to get into pairs. Watch me and Charlotte and then give it a go yourself. And a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.